Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix language challenges with Fluent in 3 months, complete guide step by step clearly. Many language learners face a range of challenges when trying to achieve fluency. Fluent in 3 months offers effective strategies to overcome these obstacles. Begin by identifying your specific language challenges. Is it vocabulary retention, pronunciation, or conversation skills? Once you've pinpointed your struggles, set clear and achievable goals. This helps to maintain focus and motivation throughout your learning process. Next, immerse yourself in the language daily. Engage with content like podcasts, movies, or articles that interest you. Try to surround yourself with native speakers through language exchange meetups or online platforms. Use the Fluent in 3 months method, which emphasizes speaking from day one. Don't wait until you feel ready to start conversing. Practice basic phrases and sentences to build confidence early on. Incorporate spaced repetition systems for vocabulary learning. These tools help reinforce words you've learned, ensuring they stick in your memory. When practicing pronunciation, listen closely to native speakers. Mimic their intonation and rhythm to improve your own speaking skills. Record yourself to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Make full use of online resources, like language courses and mobile apps. They offer structured lessons and can be tailored to your learning style. Join online communities or forums where learners share tips and experiences. This creates an encouraging environment and offers additional resources. Regularly review and adjust your learning methods based on what works best for you. Don't hesitate to switch tactics if something isn't delivering results. Finally, celebrate small victories along the way. Acknowledging progress keeps you motivated and ready to conquer bigger milestones. By systematically addressing your challenges, fluency will become an achievable goal. Enhance your learning by staying patient and persistent throughout the journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.